Fuck, it's cold!
Right, let it go now. Let it move. That's you. That's what I need, well.
Morning, YouTubers! Ah! Keep going, you bitch!
It's too shallow.
Too shallow.